I want to increase the water level in my Toto toilet, model SD746E.
Have you replaced any of your Toto toilet's parts before? How old is it?
No, new. Just installed a month ago.
How long has this been going on with your Toto toilet? What have you tried so far?
The toilet works fine, except the water level is lower than I want in the bowl. I have not tried anything yet.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
No.
Hi, I'm Mike and I have 20+ years of experience as a plumber. I am sorry you are having issues. I'll be glad to assist you today. If you look inside the tank, is there a little tube that goes from the fill valve to the fill tube, and when you flush it, water comes out of the little tube and goes down the fill tube in the middle? I am sorry to say the water level in the bowl cannot be adjusted. The only water level that can be adjusted is in the tank. https://www.shutterstock.com/image-photo/toilet-cut-half 1114317140. The water level in the bowl fills to the height of the trap bend. Any additional water that is added to the bowl just goes over the edge and down the drain.
Okay.
Does that make sense? Were you able to see the image in the link?
Solids get left on the bowl after flushing. Ick.
Well, that is an issue then. Was the toilet professionally installed?
I have 4 of these toilets and they all have the same issue.
Were they professionally installed or did you install them?
A plumber installed them. New house. Could it be a water pressure issue?
When you flush the toilet, does the water raise in the bowl before it goes down? No, but if you have water pressure issues, I can help you with that too.
The water swishes to the top.
You have 2 floors or a ranch-style house?
Residue is left, even after more than one flush. 3 are ground level. 1 is on the 2nd floor. 2 floors.
The second level one flushes better?
Nope, the same.
These toilets have hidden floor bolts. The sides are smooth? That toilet is a little different than most. It comes with a mounting bracket that attaches to the floor and the flange, then the toilet is seated in that mount. The installer either did not align the mount with the flange or did not align the toilet properly with the mount. This is what the mount looks like. https://www.lowes.com/pd/Toto Gray Toilet Hardware Kit for Toto MS874S MS884 MS904 Toilet /100097543 $CM_MMC equals SHP_CRD_PRD_Google_PLA_PLA_208 Plumbing Repair Supplies _100097543 2_0 and placeholder equals null and DS_RL equals 1286981 and GSolid equals CJ0 Kekia 88X _Bergerisicmet _Buffschafelskongen 2 Hutwodo Gumni 2 P4 P2 D5 HWKH Oxpia ATVL _WCB and GCLSRC equals aw.ds. I can see if they made a mistake on 1 but 4. They had to have noticed that the bowl water was raising when they flushed it after installing it. Anyway, the installer has some work to do. The toilet should flush normally and the water in the bowl should not raise before it goes down. That is an immediate sign there is a blockage. Maybe there were too many words in the directions and not enough pictures.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.